Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all well and enjoying your holiday. In the previous class, we just talked about square and square root and some related subtopic. We also understood some of the topic related to the same topic with an example. All right. If I ask you what is square? In mathematics, a square is a result of multiplying a number by itself. For example, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 3 multiplied by 3, that the answer is 9, 4 multiplied by 4, 16, 5 multiplied by 5, 25. The verb to square is used to denote this operation. Squaring is the sum same as raising the power to as the denoted by the subscript 2. For instance, the square of 3 may be written as square power 3 square 3 power square, which is the number is 9. All right. Square of a number is the product of given number with itself. Square of a number n is the written as n square is equal to n into n. Therefore, n square is equal to n into n. If a natural number can be expressed as n square, where n is natural number, then m is the square root of or perfect square. If m is equal to n square, m comma n minus natural number. Example 81. That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 4 times. Or we can write also 3 square into 3 square. That is 9 into 9, 981. Alright. If you see this diagram, there is 2 boxes, 3 boxes. In first box, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 column, 2 row. That means 4. 3 column, 3 row. That means 9. 4 column, 4 row, that means 16. 5 column, 5 row, that means 25. 6 column, 6 rows, that is 36. 7 column, 7 row, that is 49. 8 column, 8 row, 64. 9 column, 9 row, 81. 10 column, 10 row, 100. And so on. Example 4 is equal to 2 power, 9 is equal to 3 power 2. Alright. Where 2, 3, 4 are the natural number and 4, 9, 16 are the respectively square numbers, such type of number are also known as perfect square. 16 square, 256, 17, 289, 18 square is equal to 324, 19 is equal to 361, 20 square is equal to 400, and so as on. Squares. 1 square, that means 1 into 1, the answer will be 1. 5 into 2 into 2, that means 4. 3 into 3, 6, 9. 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 5, 25. If we can say 11 into 11, 21, 21. 12 into 12, 144. 13 into 13, 130, 169. Alright. 1 square, square root of 1 plus minus 1, square root of a 2, 4 is positive negative 2, 9 positive negative 3, 4 16, 4, 25 5, 36 6, 49 7. Alright. Example 1. Is 25 a square number? Yes, because 25 is equal to 5 into 5, so 25 is the square root of natural number. Please student write it down in your school register or rough register. Example 2. Is 100 a perfect square? We know that 100 is equal to 2 into 50, or what we say 5 into 20, 100. For 100 into 20, 4 into 25, that is also 100. There are many ways to write 100 as a product of two natural number, and one of them 100 into is equal to 10 into 10. All right. Example 3. Is 6 a perfect square? 6 can express as a product of two numbers in the following way. 6 is equal to 6, 1 into 6, that is 6, 2 into 3, that is 3. Therefore can be written as a product of two same number. Hence 6 is not a square number, or perfect, we can say, but not a perfect square. Example 4. Is 300 a perfect square? If not, find the number which 300 should be. 300 can be written as 2 into 2. We have to LCM. We have to take the method of LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So we can say 300 is not a perfect square. Alright. Please do it. Example 5. Do it own. Alright. In the previous class we already told about your properties of perfect square. Now we have to start from property number 9. A square of a number and can be expressed as the sum of first and odd number. 2 square is equal to 4, that means 1 in plus 3. 3 square is equal to 9, that means 1 plus 3 plus 5. 4 square is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Alright. 6 square is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, 36. Property number 10. Between the square of number n and n plus 1 there are exactly 2n, not perfect square. For example, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Property number 11. For any number n and its successor n plus 1 and n, the answer is n plus 1 square minus n square. Property number 12. The product of any two square number is always a perfect square. For example, 8 square into 3 square, that is 576. 24 square. 55 square is equal to 5 square into 6 square. The answer will be 900. Is also a square root of 30. Alright student, this is for today. Thank you.